Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how to create an interactive Stranger Things Superfan Quiz that keeps fans engaged while testing their knowledge of one of Netflix's most popular series. Here's how it works. Users are presented with a series of fun trivia questions such as, on what day does Will Byers vanish from Hawkins, Indiana? What did Will roll when attempting to fireball the Demogorgon in the opening game of D&D? Who plays Benny Hammond, the cook who first finds Eleven in the pilot episode? What song reminds Jonathan of the first mix he made for Will when he's driving to his dad's house to search for his little brother? These questions tap into memorable moments from the series and encourage fans to test just how closely they've been paying attention. Now let's see how to build this using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on Quiz. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow offers 1,000 plus professionally designed templates and layouts that help you create engaging quizzes quickly and easily. After selecting a template, customize it according to your brand and audience. On the welcome screen, add a headline and a short description. For example, add the headline, "How much of a Stranger Things superfan are you?" And the description, "Test your knowledge of Eleven, Vecna, the Upside Down, and the show's most iconic moments." Complete this quiz to discover whether you're a newcomer to Hawkins or a true Stranger Things legend. Now, let's add a few questions inside the quiz to make it engaging and challenging. You can tweak the wording, add new questions like, which lab experimented on Eleven? What is the name of Dustin's pet creature from Season 2? Who is known as the babysitter among the group? Which parallel dimension threatens Hawkins throughout the series? You can continue adding similar questions from different seasons to challenge fans and accurately measure their Stranger Things knowledge. Next, move to the result or outcome screen. This is where you define your fan-level outcomes by adding conditional logic, such as Stranger Things, Rookie, Hawkins Insider, Upside Down Expert, Ultimate Stranger Things, Superfan. Add fun descriptions for each outcome so users can see how well they know the Stranger Things universe and where they rank among other fans. Now let's map the answer field of each question so users receive accurate scores based on their selections. Now it's time to design. Head over to the Design tab. Here you can customize your logo size and also change the colors of the background, questions, answers, and other components. You can even add Stranger Things-inspired visuals, retro-themed graphics, or dramatic background videos to create an immersive fan experience. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. For example, you can ask for name, email address. This allows you to capture fan leads and grow your audience while delivering personalized results. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your quiz. You can now share the live URL, embed it on your website, or promote it through fan communities, blogs, social media channels, and email campaigns. And that's it! You've now created an interactive Stranger Things Superfan Quiz using Outgrow that engages fans, increases participation, and delivers an exciting trivia experience. Ready to turn entertainment into engagement? Start building your own interactive quizzes today with Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial.